Hey everyone, Matthew from Bunny here. Thought I would show you guys an update to the VSCode plugin. Introducing also the Unity Debugger Extension for VSCode. So as you can see, got myself a nice little project here. Got it running. I'll hop over here. You can see there's now these selections as per the extension. And we're going to connect in. And it says it's connected. Got a breakpoint down here. Go back over to Unity, hit that breakpoint. See it stopped. We got all our information. Now to stop it, I just can hit here. Go back to Unity. Everything's good to go. So I guess we should look at what actually has been added in this recent version. So we go to the preferences, the panel. You can see there's a whole whack of new features, new options. The first being the Use Unity Debugger. This just tells the plugin to use a specific set of features to allow the debugger to function. Simple toggle on and off. When you do toggle it on, you want to make sure that you do have the debugger installed. I've included a quick little button here that actually will install it for you by clicking it. It's going to open up and manually install it for you. That's all you have to do, really. Once you've done that, it's installed for good. So back over here, there's this nice little revert script editor on unload, and this is a feature I use on a daily basis because some projects I have actually don't work with VSCode. There's a bug in VSCode with really large projects. So what this does is when I quit or change the project, it reverts the script editor setting to the previous one. In my case, that's Xamarin Studio. Others might just be mono-develop. And so that allows me to only use VS Code on projects that have the plugin installed. It's a nice little additional feature. When you have the Unity Debugger checked on or off, it actually controls the always write launch file because it's writing a static launch file, not the ports. So you'll see if I have this checked and I go back here, it's going to turn it off. You can turn it on, it's not actually going to do anything. The only reason that's there is still for when you're not using the debugger that Unity has provided, it will find the ports for you. Other features that are behind the scenes, the updating now is a lot cleaner, and lots of bug fixes across the board. That's about it.